Ekwesimo Hotel, a place you need to be. Are you just checking into Lagos? Need exclusive accommodation for an event or leisure? Okay, come over and search no further. Located in a peaceful serenade part of Lagos is Ekwesimo Hotel, a lasting pleasure to treasure. Ekwesimo offers business and leisure guests exclusive comfort with maximum security. Our facilities and settings are a touch of international class, with tastefully furnished rooms, we also offer high-capacity halls for events. A VIP bar, outdoor gym, a nightclub, round-the-clock power supply, and friendly hospitality. Ekwesimo Hotel will leave you with lasting memories and a peace of mind.